The floor is now open for manifestation, clarificatory questions, motions regarding the question of whether or not to open the BIR
Madam
box.
Chair.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Mika Gonzalez and then the Honorable Laila De Lima.
Thank you, Madam Chair. That is correct, Madam Chair. Last April 2022, we laid on the table the decision on whether we should open the box together with the commissioner. So, Madam Chair, with that being said, I move that today, April 29, we decide on this committee whether we open the box or we maintain the box intact and sealed. Thank you, Madam Chair.
May I request the Honorable Gonzalez to clarify the motion? Is it a motion to open or motion not to open?
I move, okay, I would like to rephrase. I move, Madam Chair, Tagalogin na lang po natin, na desisyonan na po natin ng issue na ito kung bubuksan o hindi ang box na isinumite ng BIR noong nakaraang committee hearing.
Perhaps that is a manifestation of her intention that we deliberate first on the issue of whether we will open or not open the BIR box. Thank you, Honorable Gonzalez. The worthy and strong arguments of those who are in favor of opening and those who are not in favor of opening. But in summary, of course, we do not dispute the position of the Honorable Laila De Lima that the Constitution is paramount, that accountability mechanism must be protected and preserved, that the impeachment proceeding should be greater than any other proceeding. However, I wish to remind the justice members that since day one of our proceeding, we have taken the conservative route. We have taken the safer and the cautious road. It is because we are likewise aware that we owe it to the Filipino people to be able to proceed with this impeachment proceeding, and if probable cause will be determined, to reach the finish line. With that having said, may I solicit the necessary...
Madam Chair, just a very quick interjection.
The Honorable Sendanya is recognized.
Pasensya na po kayo. Alam ko pong hinihintay ng taong bayan yung desisyon sa pagbubukas ng kahon. Pero may nabanggit po kasi kanina na popo at basya na line po si Representative Marcoleta. In-attribute po niya yung explanation, deserve an explanation kay Popoy. Hindi po siya kay Popoy, linawin ko lang po. Ito po ay kay Papa P, kay Piolo Pascual sa pelikulang Starting Over Again. And I hope that as we decide on this matter, this will not lead us to starting over again. Thank you, Madam Chair.
All right, we are done with Popoy and Piolo. We are addressing a very important decision here. So with the indulgence of all the members, may I solicit the necessary second to the motion to open the box raised by the Honorable Congresswoman Laila De Lima.
I second the motion. Second.
The same has been seconded by the Honorable Antonio Tino. Do I hear an objection?
I object.
The objection has been registered by the Honorable Benny Abante, which means we shall proceed to divide the House. Please be ready to vote. Again, the motion is to open the BIR box. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. You may put down your hands. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. That concludes the voting. COMSEC, please submit the result of our vote. With 6 votes in the affirmative and 38 votes in the negative, with 0 abstention, the motion to open the box is hereby denied. So ruled. Let it be placed on the record that the committee will not open the box. The COMSEC is directed to continue preserving and taking care of the sealed box until the committee decides on the existence or non-existence of probable cause. So ruled.
Madam Chair,
The Honorable Lawrence Defensor.
Madam Chair, I move that the box, opened or unopened, constitute part of the official records of this committee since it was officially transmitted by the BIR and officially received by this committee, that it shall form part of the official records that will be transmitted to plenary and to the Senate if necessary.
Second, Madam
Second,
Chair.
Madam Chair.
There is a motion to keep the box open or unopened as part of the official records of this proceeding. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Let the box form part, though the same is sealed, form part of the official records of this impeachment proceedings. That concludes our resolution on the matter laid on the table. We shall now proceed to the next item in our agenda.
Madam Chair. Madam
The
Chair.
Honorable Rog Gutierrez.
Madam Chair, just a short motion since we're done with the major motion. May I move, with all due respect to our colleague, Pastor Benny Abante, may we move to strike from the records any mention of the conversation regarding the pronouns used for our colleague, Mr. Marcoleta. I personally, this representation believes that that conversation is not germane to discussion.
The conversation is about?
Yung sa he, her,
All right.
Madam Chair.
Second,
There is
Madam
a
Chair.
motion to strike off from the record the manifestation or question of the Honorable Benny Abante about whether the chair is using her in reference to the Honorable Marcoleta. Is there a second?
Second.
The same has been seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. Please strike off the record all manifestations concerning the use of the chair of her in making reference to the Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Brian Poe.
Madam Chair, before we move forward, I just want to make a quick manifestation and an appeal to our colleagues na kung pwede, if we can refrain from using pop culture references in our manifestations and statements. This is a serious matter. This is the impeachment of the second highest official in our government. And I believe it should be treated with the same amount of respect and gravity. Kaya moving forward, I'd like to point that out. Second, Madam Chair, I just want to point out that your reference of our colleague Marcoleta about not being a member of the Committee on Justice was not a slight or to make light of his position as a congressman, but rather para alam din ng mga constituents ni Congressman Marcoleta na if he's unable to vote on the matters, that it is not his responsibility as he is not a member of the Committee on Justice. I just want to clarify para our colleague knows that this was meant in the utmost professional manner. Maraming salamat po.
All the manifestations of the Honorable Brian Poe are noted by this committee. Before we proceed to the next item, may we direct the committee secretary to call again the Vice President.
Thank you, Madam Chair. May